Hello, good morning to all. Turn the camera, please. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Joshua. Good morning, Hannah. Anna. Everyone, good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Very Okay, so now today we're gonna learn a bit different, and it's a bit different also, as well as new for you. So, it's a bit different also, and something new. Okay, so please pay attention. Now, we were doing question like this. We were doing questions like this. Then find the value of a upon 1 upon a square if a plus 1 upon a equal to 2. Okay, understood? So we were doing questions like this. Yes. Then we were doing squaring on both sides. When we do squaring on both sides, then we solve them. Okay. We will not discuss that. Yes, Joshua? Do you have any doubt in this? No? We did this question. But now the question will be reversed. Now the question will be like this, that if a square plus 1 upon a square is 7, then find a plus x. It's bit different. Before, the value of a plus 1 upon a is given, and we have to find the value of this. Yes? Now, this is given, and we have to find the value of this. It's a bit different. That's why I'm saying pay attention. Don't write anything in your note. Okay? Now, how will you solve this? See, um, first of all, a square plus 1 upon a square is equal to 7. So I will assume this as this is an a square plus b square. So what is missing? What is missing? Plus 2ab. So that the identity can be formed up like a square plus b square plus 2ab will form a plus b whole square. So in this, what is missing? It's missing that a plus 2 into a into. Anybody has any doubt? No doubt? I'm repeating again. This I'm assuming as a square. This I'm assuming as b square. I need plus 2ab. Okay. Where what is a? A is equals to a and b is equals to 1 by. If I will compare this and this. Understood guys? Johan, Anna. Anybody has any doubts? No doubt?
Sir, can you
Now,
explain again?
see, this is a square plus 1 upon a square. So I will assume it as a square and this is as b square. Now what is missing for making this identity? Plus 2ab, na? So that's why I just wrote plus 2ab. Right now I just wrote plus 2. Okay. Now how will I solve this? See, a square plus 1a square. So I will write one straight line before doing this. That's adding plus 2ab on both sides. So a square plus 1 upon a square plus 2 into a because a and b equals to 1 by a. Na? So I will write like this is equals to 7 plus 2 into a 1 by a. Understood guys? No. Nobody understood anything. Joshua, your little doubt, please tell me. Joshua, please tell me your doubt, please. Joshua? Yeah. Say loudly. Yes, Joshua, say loudly. You didn't understand this step, no?
B1 by A equals.
Yeah. What I wrote, adding plus 2ab on both sides. Now a is equals to a and b is equals to what? 1 by a. So plus 2 into ab, where a is equals to a, b is equals to 1 by a. And here also plus 2ab. So this is my step. I can do this. Okay. Understood everyone, guys? No. Now, now I got the identity a square plus b square plus 2ab. So it will become a plus 1a whole square. Don't write Joshua. Okay. Plus equals to, now this a and this a will cut. So it will become 7 plus 2, which is 9. So a plus 1 upon a square is equals to 9. Any problem in this? Anna, please tell me, Anna.
No, sir, I got this.
Okay. Now, every time, remember this, whenever this square goes to the right hand side, it will become root. So a plus 1 upon a is equals to root of 9, and the value of root of 9 is 3. This is the answer. And true. Understood, guys? Johan, turn on your camera. Johan, are you there?
So I'm not well. I can't. Turn on my
Okay.
camera.
You understood this?
Yes, sir.
Any problem in that?
No, sir.
Okay. So guys, because tomorrow is holiday. Okay, tomorrow there will be no class. That is definitely fixed. On Fridays, uh, I think it won't be there because the train might be late because 9:30 is the arriving time. So from station to my house, it will take half an hour, and if train is late, then it will be delayed. But we can do one thing that till factorizations, I can send you test. Like Joshua won't give, Joshua will not give. Why? Joshua can attempt it. Okay, I'm not saying here that you shouldn't give. You can attempt it, but the thing is, it's for the test for Hannah, Johan, Johan, and Anna. Okay, so Joshua can't attempt. The marks of Joshua will not be counted, but you can attempt it and send it to me. Only till the identity part, like factorization. Before factorization, test will be there on Friday. Okay, guys. Johan, understood?
So can we
Johan,
send
are
the
you there?
test on Saturday?
Saturday, right?
Because I told you yesterday that I was confused with that 4.3, so I have to fix that one.
Okay, so tomorrow is Thursday, na?
Okay, so
Tomorrow is Thursday, then Friday. So you have 2 days, na? Then do this question better. Yes, Joshua, do this question. Can you see the question, Joshua?
No, I don't
This
see.
is. I just changed the value.
Oh,
I will wait for everyone this time. Anna, you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
What's the answer?
5.
Jehoan? Jehoan, you got the answer?
Almost.
Okay. Johan, you got the answer?
Give me a second, sir.
Anna?
Doing the last part.
Joshua?
Doing it, sir.
Okay, I will do it. You want me to do it?
Wait, sir.
Okay, Jehoan got the answer. Jehoan, please tell me the answer.
5.
Okay. Joshua, you got the answer?
Not yet.
We got stuck somewhere else?
No, I'm doing it.
Let's check quickly do.
Sir, got the answer.
Yes, what's the answer?
5.
Okay, good. Johan, you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
What's the answer?
Sir, I can't answer it.
Okay, you didn't understand it. Very good. Okay, so Johan, where you got stuck? Can you tell me, please?
Sir, no, I didn't get stuck. I just can't answer right now.
Me? Like I didn't understand what you're
I'm
saying.
I'm really sick. Uh,
Okay, you're not doing something.
I'm doing it, but I really can't answer it now.
Okay. Joshua, you got the answer?
No, sir. I didn't get it.
So where you got stuck? Tell me.
I got stuck in the a square plus 1 by a square plus 2.
2 into same thing you have to do. It's 2 into 8 into 1 by 8. Okay. Equals to the 7 will become what? 23. Because it's given as 23. No? Understood?
Oh,
So then 23 plus 2 will become 25. It will become what is it? 25. So root of 25, the value is 5. Okay. Understood, guys? Now I'll give you one more question. This is the question. See the question. The question is a square plus 1 upon a square is 27. Find the value of a minus 1 upon, not plus. Now I want to just check how much you can. Yes, Jahan. What's the answer?
5.
Okay. What you did, Jahan? Like how you got 5? Jahan?
Sorry, I made a mistake.
Like you did adding plus 2ab on both sides? You did this step?
Yes.
Okay. Then the step is wrong, but the answer is right. The step is wrong, but the answer is right. Joshua got stuck?
No, sir. I'm doing it.
Okay. Good. See, Joshua, you came in the middle of this chapter. That's why I can understand your situations that you're getting or not getting. So it's okay. Okay? Stuff better than this.
So it's a 5.
Five is the answer, but what step you took? That's so important. What step you took?
So I used a minus b the whole square.
How you got? By this writing the same lines?
What's that?
Sorry?
So instead of putting plus 2ab, I put minus because that's what the formula is.
Then you're saying that I'm not getting the 4.3. Why
So-
you are telling me? Then you were saying, then minus, I'm not getting exercise that fast. Why?
I don't know.
Okay, Joshua, you didn't get anything better. Please tell me.
I didn't get the root. I got 29 there.
29. Okay. So Joshua, this is wrong. Okay. Now listen, Joshua. Uh, see, when we are adding plus 2ab, na, we are getting a plus b whole square. And then we sending the square there, so we are getting the value of a plus b. Understood, Joshua? No. No, you didn't get it. Even Hannah didn't get it. Hannah?
I got the answer.
Oh, very good. But here we will need an answer of a minus b. What we need? A minus b. So if I will like a square plus b square is already there. If I will add minus 2ab, now then the answer will be a minus b whole square. No, you didn't understand anything, Joshua.
You have to use the identity.
Yeah. So now instead of adding plus 2ab, we need to add minus 2ab. So it will become like this. Okay. This was not 23, it was 27. So it will become 27 minus 2. Understood, Joshua? Yes. So this will become 120 and the answer will be 1. I mean 5. Understood? No. Can I give you one more question? Okay. Okay, do this. Hey guys, now what the question is saying, find the value of a minus 1 upon a and then find the value of a cube minus 1 by a cube. So what does this mean? This means that we have to find this much value. So first we find the value of a minus 1 upon a, then find the value of this. Guys, did you understand? Yes or no? You didn't understand anything, Joshua?
Not really.
See, first of all, what we were doing, we were finding the value of a minus 1 upon a. Na? Okay. Now, a minus 1 upon a value we have to find by this. Okay. And then we have to do cubing on both sides so that we can give it the value of a cube minus 1 upon a cube. We did the previous section cubing on both sides. Okay. Got the answer, guys? Joshua, you got stuck somewhere else? You got the answer? No, you didn't get it. So first of all, I want to ask, did you got the value of a minus 1 upon a?
Yeah. I have to
What
use,
is that?
I have to use the identity.
Yeah, minus 2ab on both sides. Then what answer you got? Yes, please tell me.
I got 6. Is it correct?
You got 6. Why? Why you got 6? It's 6.
You're supposed to have the identity. My
Yeah.
a, 3ab, a cube minus b. A cubes, a cube.
Just
A
ulta.
cube.
So, for example, it's 227 minus 2ab is given. Na? Understood? 2 a minus ab is given. Na? So, it will become 225 and 225 will become root of 225, and if you will find the root of 225 is 15. A minus 1 upon A is 15. Understood? No. How you got 6? I didn't understood.
I did A cube plus B cube.
No, you can't do A cube, B cube part. Why? Why you can't do A cube, B cube part? Because first of all, you have to convert it into a non-power one part. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes.
First of all, you have to convert that, then only you can do. Did you understand? No, still no. Okay, so write it down. Got it, everyone? Guys, please tell me. Yeah, I'll pass you. Okay, so we did this thing. Any problem in this, guys? Now the next topic is very easy. That's why I'm doing it. We did it many times, but yes.
On the previous one, can you do the A cube minus 1 upon A cube thing?
Okay, so I did it. So I got the value of B minus 1 upon A, answer is 50. Okay, now we have to take same thing, cubing on both sides. So cubing on both sides means A minus 1 upon A cube is equal to 15 cube. So the formula of this is A cube minus 1 upon A cube minus 3 A into B, which is 1 upon A again, and A minus 1 upon A is equals to 15 cube. What is the 15 cube answer? Do you know? I can do it in my mind. I have that much advanced Einstein brain. So 15 15 and 7. Okay. Yeah, 3. That's good. Okay. So this A, ouch. This A and this A will cut. Yes. So A cube minus 1 upon A cube minus 3 into the value of this is 15. Is equals to 3375. Now A cube minus 1 upon A cube minus 45 is equal to 3375 plus a cube minus 1 upon a cube is equal to 3375 plus 45. The answer will be 0, 1, 1. 4, 3, 4, 1. Understood, guys? Yes or no? You sure you didn't understand it? You sure?
This is cubing on both sides now.
Yeah, cubing on both sides. The same funda which we were doing in the previous one. Now you got it? No, still you didn't get it.
Yeah, I got it.
Johan, are you there? Johan? Jehovan? Are you there, Jehovan?
Yes, sir.
You understood better? Jehovan, you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, can I read this, guys? Okay, so then our question is 5x plus 3 upon 5x minus 1 into 2x minus 1 x plus 1. This is the truth. Now, multiplication, we usually multiply like this, like 5 upon 4 into 3 of 3. So how we multiply them? Like 5 will multiply with 3, making 15. 4 will multiply with 2, will make 8. In the same way, we have to multiply them like this. Like this will multiply with this, and this numerator will multiply with numerator. The denominator will multiply with denominator. So it becomes 5x plus 3 into 2x minus 1 upon 5x minus 1 upon x. So now you have to multiply it. So 5x will multiply with this. Now can you do it by your own? Yes, Joshua? Can you do it by your own now? No. You have little doubt, just ask me. I will do it. Ask me, Joshua.
So I don't know. I understood.
You don't know how to multiply it?
I know, yeah, I know.
You know? So normally you have to multiply. Like 5x will multiply with both the terms. In the same way, plus 3 will also multiply with both the terms. Okay? 5x to multiply with both the terms. The same way, minus 1 will multiply with both the terms. Then you have to write there. That's Hello. Got it, guys? Yes? Can you do it, guys? Please tell me. You sure? Please tell me. If you have any doubt, just ask me later. No, I didn't hear. Say loudly.
So in each question you have to multiply like this, like 5x.
Yes. Yeah, 5x will multiply with both the terms, 2x as well as minus. So it will become 10x squared minus 5x. The same way, 3 will multiply with both 2x and minus. So it will become 6x minus 3. Got it? No.
Yeah, got
So we'll end the math class. Okay, then we will have 4 minutes break. Then we'll come back with the time. So can we say bye to Anna? Hey everyone, bye. Bye Anna. Joshua, wave your hand. Joshua. Bye Anna. So we'll have 4 minutes. Okay, guys, come back. Come back. Assemble. Come on, guys, assemble. Put on the camera, please. Now, today we're gonna learn about human respiratory system. Can you hear me, guys? No? Yes. Please turn on your camera, Joshua, camera. Please. Joshua, turn on your camera. Anna, camera, please. Start the video. Now, today we learn about human respiratory system. So, human respiratory system has some parts. So, we'll learn about that. So, first of all, what is the part? So, external nostril. Nostril, yeah, it means the hole in the nose. The hole in the nose. We have this part. Then we have nasal cavities. Nasal cavities, yani the passage through which the air will go. Okay. Then we have pharynx. Pharynx, like you can see this diagram. Can you see this diagram, guys? Okay, this is nasal cavity through which the air goes inside. Then it goes into this. Then, then this is part. This part is called as pharynx, and this part is called as larynx. Now, do you know hiccups? Do you know hiccups? So, basically, we have two types of pipe. First is called as windpipe. First is windpipe, and the second one is air pipe. The second one is air pipe. First is windpipe, and the second one is air pipe. Now, what is the role of windpipe? The wind will go inside of it. Understood, right? No. Yes. And what is the okay? Windpipe and air pipe both are same. So first is windpipe, and the second one is windpipe or air pipe. So food pipe, what is the role of food pipe? Whatever we are eating, it is going to the food pipe, and whatever we are breathing, it will go to air pipe or windpipe. Understood? Any problem in that? Okay. Now I don't know if you observe or not. Whenever you will whenever you will just drinking of water, swallowing anything, you can't take trees along. Can you try it? Like for example, you just swallow your saliva. For that section of seconds, you can't take trees. Can you try it? Because if you are taking breathing, it will stop for a section of seconds by seconds. Understood? Right? So what does it mean? It means that the wind pipe and they are interrelated. Wind pipe and wind pipe are interrelated. So there is a flap, or you can say a lid, which is like this. Okay, it's called as epiglottis. Now, what is the role of epiglottis? When we are swallowing the words, it will cover this part. So we can't breathe during that. And when we are breathing, it will cover the food part. Understood? So it is like this. This is the flap. Like windpipe is there, then it will close the food pipe part. Right? Because the air wouldn't like feel going. That is not problem, but if you are drinking water, And if it goes in lungs, then what will happen? It will be infected in the lung. Okay, and because of that, we will have a opportunity to have a lunch with you. Okay, so basically, epiglottis has two things to stop the food pipe on air or wind. Understood, guys? Now, the larynx part will come. What is the role of larynx? Larynx part is I'm saying to larynx. Like it is called as sound box, music system. Even if I'm saying so that voice is coming from my mouth. I'm not producing. Understood? Then we have trachea. The trachea is also called as ring of cartilage. Okay, ring of cartilage. Why? Because it has rings like this. So this pipe is going, and inside this pipe, the wind will go into the lungs. Okay. Yes. Do you know broccoli? Broccoli. So that broccoli is not related to this, but it is called bronchiole. Means the trachea will divide it into bronchioles, right bronchiole and left bronchiole. I'll repeat it again. Once the air will go through this, through the nasal cavity, then epiglottis will send it into the vein pipe, then larynx, then it will go to the lungs, means the trachea. The trachea will divide into two parts. It's right bronchiole and left bronchiole. And then this is divided into small roots-like structure called as alveoli. And I want to write one thing that since alveoli exchange of gases occurs. We can ask you where the exchange of gases occurs. So exchange of gases occurs in alveoli. You can write it down in your book. That exchange of gases occurs at alveoli, and alveoli is the last part of the respiration of the breathing system. Understood, guys? No. Okay. Take screenshot. Okay, amazing. Now, I want Mr. Jahuan. Can you please read this? I want to give this opportunity to you.
Where onwards?
Yeah, from this bit.
The opening of the pharynx into the trachea is called glottis. Trachea is thin-walled, but its walls do not collapse even when there is not enough air in it, as it is supported by rings of cartilage. Trachea bifurcates into bronchi. Lungs enclose within them branches of bronchi called bronchiolus, which branch farther and in a very thin walled structure called air sacs or alveoli. The voice box or larynx is present in the trachea.
Very good. So now we will learn about mechanism of it. So you have to do the exercise with me. Then only you can. So do inhalation. Do inhalation with me. Do inhalation. Guys, I am seeing you, Anna and Joshua. Do inhalation. So when you will inhale, your like this, I'll show the diagram, then only you understand. See, this is your diagram. Okay. Now, can you see this? There is called as diagram. This black part. Can you see that? So when it's in the shape of like this, dome shape. Okay. But when you will inhale, it will become flattened. Because so that maximum air can come into. Okay. And when it will when you will exhale, it will become like this. Do exhalation like this. So when I forcefully exhale it, na, so it will become like this. Sorry, it will become like this. So that the maximum air gets rolled out of it. Okay, understood? No. Nobody's responsive. Understood, Dennis? Yes? Yes. Yes. Now I would request Miss Anna. Can you read this mechanism?
Mechanism of breathing or ventilation of lungs. Lungs are located in the chest cavity or the thoracic cavity. Below the chest cavity is the abdominal cavity. These two cavities are separated from each other by a dome-shaped, upwardly arched muscular sheet called a diaphragm. The movement of the diaphragm helps in breathing. Breathing, also called ventilation, involves two processes. One, inhalation, drawing the air in, is a result of increase in the volume of the thoracic cavity. This increase
Yeah.
is caused.
So inhalation will take the air inside and exhalation will draw the air outside. This is clear. Understood? No. Yeah.
Inhalation is the increase in the volume of the thoracic cavity. This increase is caused by the changes that take place in the position of the diaphragm in breath.
Now I would suggest please write this point in your notes of your paper. Okay, why? Why? Because they can ask you what basic inhalation, the diaphragm status, and the ribs will raise in upward. So please, I would request you to read this like and to write it down in your notes. Yes, please, Hannah.
Diaphragm straightens out due to the contraction of its muscle. Ribs are raised upwards and outward, and volume of the chest cavity enlarges by contraction of rib muscles. As volume of the chest increases, pressure of the air in it decreases. Atmospheric air rushes in and reaches the alveoli. It brings in oxygen which diffuses into the capillaries from the alveoli. Exhalation is the result
Yeah.
of
So when we will inhale, because we take oxygen, so the oxygen goes inside of the alveoli and the exchange there. Yes, sir? Yes. Next, please. Exhalation.
exhalation is the result of decrease in the volume of the thoracic cavity. This decrease in the volume is caused when the diaphragm relaxes and resumes its dome shape, arching upwards.
Yeah. Next one.
Ribs are lowered downwards and inwards. The thoracic cavity is compressed and the pressure inside the lungs is increased. The alveolar carbon dioxide diffuses out and is pushed out through the trachea and nose. This breathing out of carbon dioxide-laden air is called exhalation.
Exhalation. So they can ask you what the inhalation and exhalation, and please draw this diagram in your notes copy because like they can ask you what is respiration or describe what are the mechanisms happens in respiration, and they can ask you with the help of diagram also. So this diagram is important. Like in my prelims, I gave them 3 times. Okay, for checking previous 5 years paper. So they also ask this respiration and the mechanism. So you have to learn. Understood? Now read it. Read this.
exchange of gases between blood and tissues.
This is
Inhalation,
also important part. They can ask you, please. Yeah.
inhalation fills in the alveoli of lungs with oxygenated air. This oxygen has to reach the various tissues of the body. Thus, as the first step, blood capillaries on the alveoli pick up oxygen from the alveoli and carbon dioxide brought by the capillaries from the tissue is exchanged for oxygen. Oxygen diffuses into the alveoli.
Now listen, guys. I told you alveoli is the last stage of the lungs. Okay, so the oxygen will come like this, and during the like near to the alveoli, there is blood vessels which is going on. Now I will ask you one more. If you read it, what is the name of this part? Like the blood vessel which is coming this part, what is the name of it? Do you know? I repeat it again, that alveoli having a blood vessel so that the exchange of gases can happen. Now, I am asking, what is the name of this blood vessel?
Capillaries. From arteries to capillaries.
It's a specific name.
You're asking the fluid or the
Now, it is coming from heart. This is like it.
Veins.
What What?
pulmonary vein?
Yeah, good observation. You saw very correctly. Okay. So it's pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein, why? Why pulmonary vein?
It's carrying the deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs.
From the
increase
heart.
oxygen.
So pulmonary, not vein, it's pulmonary artery. Sorry. Pulmonary artery, which is taking blood from the heart. Because what is the role of artery? It takes blood away from the heart. So pulmonary artery is bringing to the alveoli, and then it's changing into pulmonary vein because that blood is going into the heart. Oh my gosh. Understood? No. Okay. So this is how it works. Understood? No. Okay. So now you can understand it like this. Here, this exchange of gases occurs. So you can see the air will come in, the oxygen will diffuse into the blood vessels, and the carbon dioxide will diffuse out, and it will go to the exhalation block. Understood, guys? Joshua, do you have any doubt, beta? Please ask me, beta. Please, Joshua. Please ask. No doubt. 9 doubts you have? No. Do you know what you mean by no? No in Hindi is basically 9. Okay. Now, cellular respiration. Now, what do you mean by cellular respiration? Like I told you, respiration and breathing, both are different. Respiration is basically the breaking down of glucose in the presence of oxygen so that we can get the energy and we can use that energy for doing different works. This is cellular respiration. But what do you mean by breathing? Breathing is only inhalation and exhalation. Understand? No. The breathing is just. But cellular respiration is what we ate. We ate food, then we get the nutrients from it. We got the glucose from it. Now that glucose is transported through the blood into the cell. Now the cell and the oxygen which we got through the breathing process, the oxygen and the glucose will react together, they will break themselves and they release the energy. And whatever I am taking my hand, I am using that energy. Understood? Still not? So I would request Mr. Joshua. Where is Kali? I mean, sorry. Joshua, can you read this? Cellular respiration.
The cellular respiration.
Yes.
Once inside the tissues, oxygen acts upon the digested food, glucose, which has reached the cells of the tissues. As a result, energy and carbon dioxide are released. This occurs in the mitochondria of the cells and it's called cellular respiration.
Respiration. Very good. Okay. So we did the cellular respiration part. Okay. It's not that much in brief, but okay. Can you read this part also, Joshua?
Do you know? Do you know why mountaineers and sea drivers carry oxygen cylinders and wear oxygen masks? As we climb higher and higher altitudes, the air pressure becomes lower and lower. Reduced oxygen supply causes breathing troubles, and oxygen masks facilitate breathing. People live in hilly areas have evolved adaptations such as increased number of red blood corpuscles and large thoracic cavity. Divers carry oxygen masks because we derive our respiratory oxygen from air and not water.
Okay. Now, do you know that like do you know the person who living in mountains area? So they have different, like if they born there, they live there, then they have different adaptations. Like their eyes will be little bit like like this, or their they have like we need oxygen mask, okay, to reach that high level, but they will just walk. Why? Because they have that adaptation. They have a lot of RBC. There's a lot of RBC is there. There's a lot of hemoglobin is there. So even the oxygen is less, but most of the bind with hemoglobin and it will give to the cell. So basically, this is how the adaptation living in the high mountain area happens. Understood? No. Okay. Now, human excretory system. The human excretory system is the egestion part. Egestion part is the flushing part. Whatever we are eating, which is undigested, it's the human excretory system. But this human excretory system is the urinal part. The urinal part means that in the blood, there, like for example, the cells are using glucose, yes, but some of the nitrogenaceous bases like urea, like keratin, these types of things are also present in our blood, which may harm the cell. So for that, the we have kidneys. Okay, we have kidneys. It's like a rajma. You know rajma, bean shape. Okay, it's like a green shape and it helps us to purify the blood. Understood? Yes, sir. Okay. Now, in human excretory system, excretion is carried out by an organ system known as urinary system or excretory system. We have two bean-shaped kidney. Can you see these two bean-shaped kidney? We have two excretory tubes. Like you can see this excretory tube called as ureter, and we have urinary bladder. Now, did you observe or not? The kids, like the newborn baby, they they are not able to uh, control their urine, and they did their urine in the on the bed also. Yes, right? Because their urinary bladder. Now, urinary bladder is like a muscular organ which works like this. Like whenever we feel we have to do urine, we can stop it, we can control it, we can do after some time. But in newborn baby, that relaxation or the contraction of the urinary bladder, it's not happened in the kids. Or did you observe or not? The very old men will also have diaper. they also create diaper. Right? Because by the age that nervous system of the urinary bladder, it got like overaged. Now they can also can't control. So urinary bladder is the place where we can control that we have to do urine on if the favorable time on. Understood, guys? Now, structural and functional of unit kidney. Now, there is a name called as nephron. Nephron is like this. Do you know how to make tea? Do you know how to make tea? What is tea? Tea for? Not that yet. Tea for tea, like which we drink. Okay. So when you're making tea, we will put chai patti, tea leaves, or sugar. Then what we will do before pouring out into the cup, we will take a filtrate, like in Hindi it's called as chutney. Okay, we will put it and we will pass that tea into this so that the tea leaves will filter in that filtrate and the tea will go into the cup. This is how it works. In the same way, our blood system, our kidney system has nephron. Now that nephron is working like a filtrate which filters the nitrogenous wastage and rest the blood will pass through it. And the nitrogenous wastage which is filtered through it, it will pass through urine. Understood? No. You didn't understand. Can I have some headache? Yes, tell me. No headache? Okay. So you can understand it like this. So I'll request Miss Hannah, can you read this?
Structural and functional unit of the kidney, the nephron. Each kidney is made of tube-like structures called nephrons or renal tubes. A nephron is the structural and functional unit of the kidney. The cup-shaped upper end of the nephron is called the Bowman's capsule. And
Yeah,
has a
this is
network-
called as Bowman's capsule. Can you see this? Now, atrial means, afferent atrial means coming artery. It means that coming artery. And efferent means going artery. So coming like this is like filtrate. Here it's like nitrogen will be filtered and it will pass through, the filter will pass through it, and this will become pure blood, and this is the impure blood which is going to be filtered. Understood? No. Jahoan, any doubt, Peter? Jahoan?
No, sir.
Yeah, please.
The Bowman's capsule has a network of capillaries within it called the glomerulus. The glomerulus is a knot of capillaries formed from the artery which brings blood containing waste and excess of water to the kidney. The Bowman's capsule leads into a tubular structure. The tubular part of the nephron or renal tubule has three subparts: the proximal convoluted tubule (PCT), a thinner tube called the loop of Henle, and the distal convoluted tubule (DCT). Blood capillaries surround these tubules.
Okay, so you can understand it like this. The tubule has three parts: PCT, proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle, and a distal convoluted DCT. So this part is called as PCT. Then this is loop of Henle, and this is called as DCT. This part is called as basically DCT. Okay, understood? I'll erase this. This is called as PCT, the proximal part. This is loop of Henle. This is called loop of Henle, and this is called as DC. Okay, understood? Can you read this mechanism of excretion?
Mechanism of excretion. Filtration and reabsorption are two important processes of excretion. Blood entering the glomerulus gets filtered in the Bowman's capsule and is called the nephric filtrate. The red blood corpuscles and proteins do not filter out. They remain in the bloodstream. The filtrate entering the renal tubule not only contains waste but also useful substances. The useful substances get reabsorbed from the tubule into blood capillaries surrounding the tubule. Excess water and salts like sodium and chloride also get reabsorbed into the blood from the renal tubule. Thus, waste alone, which is primarily in the form of urea, enters into collecting tubules from various organs. It is the urine. From the kidneys, the urine enters the ureters to reach the urinary bladder where it is temperature stored. Urine is thrown out periodically through the urinary opening.
Yeah.
Function of
So you can understand it like this: that you understood the function or mechanism of excretion. Those minerals which is useful for the body is got reabsorbed. And do you know? I don't know. Like, for example, if you are not doing urine, okay, you are not doing urine for a longer time, then it will concentrate it and it becomes yellowish. It will become what? Yellowish color. Why yellowish color? Because that yellowish color is because that water which is needed by the body is not concentrated, it's not reabsorbed by the body. Understood? That's why you have to drink a lot of it. Understood? Okay. So we'll do this other organs that remove waste our body tomorrow, and I think tomorrow we'll complete this chapter. Not tomorrow, think on Monday, I think. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed the class. Bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Ta-ta.
Thank you so